I didn't expect to do this. This is cool.
Well, that's what I was saying. Why not? Especially when he said it takes like 5 minutes. As long as we don't get stuck, I'm good.
I do feel the air getting cooler though.
Feels nice.
Yeah, it feels good though. That's awesome. I didn't even need my jacket today. Yeah, you're right. I don't see anybody. Everybody must be skiing now because I don't see nobody coming back down. Well, hi. We got a little weather station, cell towers, all kind of stuff up here. Way back there. This is beautiful. Yeah, we might have to move to the Pacific Northwest. I'm just saying. If we do win the lottery, I'm definitely gonna, like I said, gotta have a place here. We'll live in the Hood River town.
Yeah.
It's right off the river. Right up the road. You go to Fort Hood. I'm not Fort Hood, but Mount Hood. Have to show your dad and Susan this one.
Oh yeah.
That's a little ways down, not too far. Yeah, a shadow.
It makes me think of just a longer ride of Busch Gardens.
Yeah.
Sky ride. Just longer.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
This is a little more scenic than a Busch Gardens. Yeah, as we were coming up, I could see snow underneath the trees, some of the forest, just lower than the lodge there. So we're riding up the hill. I was like, oh, we're getting close to the snow.
I wonder if we'll see anybody from our boat coming back.
I don't know. There's somebody coming back right there.
No, they're not on our boat.
It is getting colder. I just felt it. Woo, new cool.
When we get the people walking right there. When I get off, I'm going to put my jacket on to go back down.
I don't have a jacket. It ain't freezing or nothing, but it did get a little bit cooler. We still got quite a bit of elevation to go. Kind of cool though. Got several lifts on the side. I've never snow skied, have you?
Nope.
Not even once. I know your boss has, right? He goes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Him and his son.
Yeah.
Oh, people way over there.
I know. Well, that's over there by the half pipe. It's kind of cool. So it looks like there's another little lodge up there. I see a van and a roof.
Well, yeah, because there's skiers that go way up there to the top and come back.
Mm-hmm.
Let's get little hills. Nice little
Oh
hiking
my
trail. right
God, you
here.
can see the entire world from up here.
Wow. I'll see it when I go back the other way.
It's just gorgeous.
Now, I don't know if I want the long way or get off at
This next, yeah, I'm just gonna get off this next one. I forgot my jacket in the bus. Oh, look, he jumped. See what? We all jumped. Whee! No, he didn't jump as high as the last one.
Yeah.
There's several jumps, so this guy's gonna go up there. Yeah, it just got a little bit colder.
Oh, look. I thought the same.
No.
Boy, it got colder.
It got colder all of a sudden though.
That's so funny.
It is funny.
It's like, why not?
For $20 a person, I think. This ain't bad. This is a good experience.
Right?
Even though I'm a little chilly,
Mm-hmm.
I'll get over it.
Like once I put my coat on, because I can put the hood over my ears.
I'm just glad the sun's out like it is, because that
Right.
heat does feel good. I think the boys would love this. For a second, it slowed down, yeah.